Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to replace a battery for this HQ8505 trimmer. So this was the board which was fixed inside. I am not going to use this board anymore. This board is completely dead. So I will be using 1850 battery. This is the panel. This battery I will be fixing it here. So in order to fix this, I have to cut this panel over here and the adjustment knob. Then I have to fix the battery holder. I will be using a charger unit, BMS, small BMS, in order to charge this battery. Let me fix the battery here. Then we can just check for a demo. I have made some space in the trimmer to fix this 18650 battery. So I have to remove these connectors from this panel. The reason is I was not able to fix the entire holder inside. So I have to remove only these connectors. So these connectors I will be fixing to top and the bottom here. I have connected the battery holder here. So this is the negative holder side, the positive holder side. I am using TP4056 charger board in order to charge this. I will be fixing this board here in this place so I can get the access of the charger pin this side over here. Let me fix this. Friends, the charger assembly is completed. I have fixed the charging board also. The trimmer is ready now. This is the switch. So I have kept the charging port over here. I hope it is visible. I'll just show you the charging. The charger is turned on now. So the trimmer is ready. Thank you friends. Subscribe for more videos.